Hey guys, so it's still a little nippy outside, and the sun is getting ready to come out, so that's actually good. So I'm at my grandparents' house. So this is their backyard, and as you can probably see, their grass is looking like it's needing to be cut. Yep. So the grass is still a little bit wet. So yeah, look at all those weeds along there. So see, around here last year they had grass that was really, really tall. Oh, and look at this weed right there. My goodness, look at that. Talk about an overgrown weed. Yeah, it's already starting to look like it's needing to be cut. So since the weather's going to be nice tomorrow, I'll probably cut it tomorrow for the first time this year. Their flower bed's all full of weeds. So while I'm over here, I thought I just do a video on their lawnmower to see if it'll get it running for this year. So it was last time I used it was probably mid-November. I think it was at least before Thanksgiving or after. I don't really remember for sure. So this is their 2003 Huskee lawnmower, 22-inch deck, front wheel drive, self-propelled, with a 5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton Quantum engine. They've had this mower for 10 years now. It's hard to believe it that they've had it for this long. See, they bought this mower all the way up in Sherman over at Tractor Supply, because there's no Tractor Supply store near Bedford. The closest one to around here is actually Lake Worth, which that's quite a long drive from here, which is just north of Fort Worth. So yeah. So they bought it over at the Tractor Supply up in Sherman, because their farm is located just west of Sherman, which was the same place that my grandfather bought his Huskee lawn tractor, which that y'all have seen in the previous videos. So I've already checked the oil, so it's all good. Okay, so no gas. So let me put some gas in it and we'll see what it'll do. Alright, so it just has enough gas in it just to see if she'll fire. Alright. So I'm gonna give it 3 primes like always, just from what it says on the instructions for cold starts. Alright, set you up on the tripod. And see what she'll do. Alright, there we go. That'll work. Cool. One pull like always. So she's all ready for spring, and apparently I disturbed the neighbor's dogs. So cool. So she's all ready for 2013, except just need to change the oil and sharpen the blade, and she'll be good to go. Alright, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. So thanks for watching.